So someone said if the story about Chika Ike and Ned is true, definitely we'll be seeing Regina Daniels' mom come wall on the video in a bit. So this statement caught my attention when I was exploring one of the social media. So I was like, okay, what's going on and all of that. Then I now saw a picture of Chika Ike's pregnancy. Do you understand? Someone was like, wow, a very big congratulations to you there. So I was like, okay, she must have put to bed to post this. Do you understand? Because nobody likes posting their pregnancy journey before giving birth, except when you have put to bed. Do you understand? You don't want to put it out there. So in the midst of the congratulations, one person actually commented. When I mean commented on Cheesy Alice's post, and the person, like, sometimes I feel like, why will people open mouth and just be talking anyhow? The person said, "You're next." Like, what do you mean by you're next? I don't understand. Did I complain to you? Are you in my family? Do you know what our issues are? I kind of felt bad for Cheesy Alice because I don't know why people keep reminding people. Okay, the person, one of the reasons I hardly comment, post, or congratulate any colleagues, my page, when they welcome a baby, these comments are so annoying, Jesus. And you don't do that to someone probably had not put to bed. It's annoying, and it's more like you're trying to, poke the person to know what the person will do, which is very terrible. So this is me seeing again somebody commenting in Regina Daniels' picture that she's not wearing their wedding ring and all of that. Okay, sometimes, not every time that married people wear their wedding ring. So I wouldn't actually know if it is true that it is for Ned, because Ned has already Chika Ike put out a pregnancy picture. Doesn't mean that it is Ned's own, but the gist is that it belongs to Ned, because I think they've rumored a previous relationship with Ned, I mean Chika Ike, before he married Regina Daniels. So this was her having fun in Tonto Dike's son's birthday. So people were like, she's just trying to wallow out all the anger in her because of the whole situation and shenanigans that has been going on, allegedly, because I don't know if that is true, and I don't understand why people are carrying the propaganda, because you're not there. But there are some bloggers that are known to put out people's gists there. So sometimes there are some truth in what they say, sometimes it is not. So I don't really know what's going on, but they are like, okay, Regina Daniel had to deactivate her account for a while because of the whole issue. People were bashing her, like, oh, didn't you go for 612, this and that, when people not there before you, so why are you angry, stuff like that. I was like, I can't really say anything because I'm not sure. Do you understand? So she used that opportunity to be posting her the birthday updates from Tonto Dike's son. But what I don't understand is how people actually feel that because Ned had a thing, if actually she had a thing with Chika Ike, it will now be Ned. But according to them, the blogger that usually raise these informations is the same person that raised this one. So they felt it is true. So me, I don't know, I'm not close to them, but this is the information I've been seeing making a wave in media for the past how many days now. So Ned had to give his information, this thing, to come out and clear the air that he's not the one that is involved. Despite the whole explanation, I feel like people still don't want to buy that idea. They also still said that they think it's Regina that was typing. I was like, Jesus, this country, the matter tire person. So the man had to clear the air. After that, Chika Ike also cleared the air and was like, all those stories are false, that it is not true. So now, why are they linking Chika Ike's pregnancy to Ned, and why are they linking it to Regina deactivating her account and all of that? So this thing is just tiring. So me, I just brought it to you guys to just tell you guys waiting the sup for the media. So what did you actually think here? I really need your honest opinion, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.